Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for looking and feeling your absolute best. If you're like me, acne scars can be a real pain in the face. They can be stubborn, unsightly, and sometimes even painful. They hurt when they're forming, they leave marks when they're gone, and they make you feel super self-conscious. It's like a never-ending cycle of frustration. But fear not, I've got 5 proven methods to help you say goodbye to those pesky scars fast. And when I say fast, I mean within 72 hours. Ready? Let's dive in. These tips are easy to follow and can be done with items you probably already have at home. First up, drink water. Yeah, I know, you've heard it a million times, but it's true. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve your skin. When you're hydrated, your body can flush out bacteria and toxins more efficiently. This helps in reducing the chances of new acne forming. Plus, hydrated skin is less likely to clog up, which means fewer breakouts. It's a win-win situation for your skin. So keep that water bottle handy. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and you'll notice a significant difference. Second, ice baby. Applying ice to acne, especially if it's under the skin, can reduce inflammation and pain. It's a quick and easy way to soothe irritated skin. Just wrap an ice cube in a cloth and hold it on the area for a few minutes. Do this a few times a day for the best results. It's simple, but it works. You'll feel the difference almost immediately. Next, let's talk aloe vera. This stuff is magic. Apply aloe vera cream or gel on your acne scabs and it'll help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties. Aloe vera also has antimicrobial properties, so it keeps the area clean from infection. It's like a natural healer for your skin. Double win. You can find aloe vera gel at most drugstores, or you can use the gel directly from the plant if you have one at home. Fourth, check your diet. Eating foods rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc, and collagen, hello egg whites, can help your body heal those scars faster. Your diet plays a crucial role in skin health. It's like giving your skin the building blocks it needs to repair itself. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your meals, so load up on those vitamins. Consider taking supplements if you're not getting enough from your diet. Lastly, let's get topical. Tea tree oil and cocoa butter are your new best friends. These natural remedies can work wonders on acne scars. Tea tree oil prevents acne bacteria from spreading, while cocoa butter smooths and moisturizes your skin. Another great option? Mix honey with cinnamon to make a paste, apply it to the affected area, and leave it on for about an hour. This combination has powerful healing properties. Honey and cinnamon have amazing healing properties. And guess what? They also smell great. You can do the same thing with a crushed aspirin tablet and honey. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which helps in reducing inflammation. Trust me, your skin will thank you. These natural remedies are gentle yet effective. So there you have it. Keep your face clean, nourish your skin with the right nutrients, and tackle inflammation and infection head-on. Consistency is key to seeing results. Be diligent and you'll see those acne scars and spots start to fade within 72 hours. Remember, consistency is key. Don't give up. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and stay confident. Your skin reflects your overall health, so take care of yourself. You've got this. Believe in yourself and follow these tips for clear, beautiful skin. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on looking and feeling your best. See you next time. Take care.